Alright, so I'm an idiot and I cut it backwards. But luckily, there's still enough board where we're not screwed. So now I'm gonna fix it. How I did that, I don't know. But we'll be okay. Alright, first off, let's fix this side, and then we'll do the other side. It got stuck, and it made it rough right there. God damn. I never claimed to be a professional at this. I actually have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of makeshifting this shit as I go. And that's curved now because it got stuck and it bowed inward. But this will just have to be the side that is facing me, I guess, all the time. We'll make it work. All right, let's hope this works out, because I don't have another $27 to buy another one of these boards right now. Like I said, this was a buddy of mine that helped a brother out. Wants to see me succeed. We're gonna do this way. Get that weight off of there. I had a feeling that was gonna happen, but I had to get the cut straight. Y'all be alright. Went for a little tumble. This side's gonna have to go on this side because I cut it weird. Like that. Oh yeah, dude. And then when I lay the thing down, when I put the, I'm gonna put 2 legs on it. Yo, that shit's gonna go tough. You won't even see this though, for real. Alright, let's go ahead and paint this piece. I dried this a little bit with the blower. I'm gonna see if this sticks, or if we're gonna have to use that EcoBond stuff. I don't think it's gonna stick to that. Hopefully this shit's still good. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. This is not the tool for this, but I'm definitely gonna have to get more of this shit. This shit's expensive. Let's see what she do now. That's gonna be so fucking sick, dude. Look at that. We're gonna have to trim these edges, but I'm gonna wait until that's dried on there good, and then I can cut it to flush because it's a small piece. What's happening? We got some new lights in here. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what they look like. It's gonna be our new lighting for our videos. Sockbox lighting kit. Alright, we got a bag for the stuff. Alright, here's one tripod. Looks pretty sturdy so far, I'm not gonna lie to you. That's pretty damn sturdy. Pretty damn sturdy. I was nervous. Prime Day deal, I ain't gonna lie to you. These are the bulbs. Hopefully this one's not fucked up because it is dented. It is up against it, and it did rip it through a little bit there. Hopefully it's okay. This one's perfect though. We'll see. Let's look at the instructions. Just to be sure we're doing this right. Yeah, it's kind of half figured. Alright, so to get that tall, plus the light thing on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll make it higher in a minute. Let me show y'all this thing. So inside here, it's like an umbrella, and it's kind of hard to get it all four to go at the same time. There we go. And then all four fit in there, and it keeps it open. And then you just loosen this. You can angle this down. Bing bow. Boom. And then just loosen this up to where it slides on. Alright, this is the one that was dented. This is also the one with the remote. That's crazy. It fucking light bulb right there, boy. Another remote. They both probably work off the same frequency though, so one remote will probably do them both, but we'll see. Sheesh. That is bright, brother. We're gonna diffuse this light. Okay, let me see how you go here. Just one per side. Okay, okay. Boom. Just like that. That is on there. That even though. Alright. I guess if they don't have power, they're not going to turn on, huh? Okay. Yo, that's crazy, dude. Oh, man. What's happening? We're about to paint the wall. Yo, Mountain Dew Kickstart, bro. Y'all Sponsor me, bro. I get these things sent to my house by Amazon like every fucking 2 weeks. Two cases of them, 24. You know what I'm saying? Hook a brother up. They not cheap. That flavor in particular, that's my favorite. I love that one. Alright, let's paint this damn wall. This is not like, don't do this. This is not safe. You know what I'm saying? Safe enough for me, I guess, reckon. If I fall, don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it. But it don't fit this way to open it. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna stand on it like this. And hope we don't bust our ass. Let's get going. I'm playing music too, so you ain't gonna have no sound. I had too much paint on there and that shit was dripping on the damn sheet I put down here. Put something on your floor. I hit the ceiling a little bit, but y'all won't really see that shit. So don't judge me, alright? You're only gonna see like here. But I'm cutting in because I want it to look decent, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not a professional painter by any means. I'm just poor, so I don't have money to pay people to do this for me. And I like to do shit myself. This only has like one leg kind of secured. So if I bust our ass right here, this might be it. It is indeed going to take multiple coats.